In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable recording in Google Meet. If you manage a Google Workspace account and want your users to record meetings for training, documentation, or compliance, this walkthrough is for you. You'll need to be signed in with an administrator account because this setting lives in the admin console and isn't available to standard users. Start by opening the Google Admin Console in your browser and sign in with your admin credentials. When you land on the dashboard, you'll see a series of tiles. We're going to make a quick trip through the Apps area to reach the Meet controls that govern recording across your organization. From the dashboard, click Apps. Inside Apps, choose Google Workspace to reveal the services managed by your organization. Find and select Google Meet. This brings you to the service controls dedicated to Meet and is where most global features like recording are enabled or restricted. Next, open Meet Video Settings. This section consolidates key host and meeting features, making it the right place to adjust whether users can capture a meeting. Within these settings, look for the recording section. When you find it, turn on the option labeled Let People Record Their Meetings. This grants permission for users covered by this setting to see the record option inside Google Meet and create recordings when they host or when policy allows. After enabling it, click Save. It's important to know that changes in the admin console don't apply instantly everywhere. They usually propagate within a few minutes, but in some cases, it can take a little longer to reach all users and devices. If you don't see the option right away in a meeting, give it a bit of time and try again. A few helpful notes as you wrap up. Only certain Google Workspace editions support meeting recording, so if you don't see the setting, double check your edition or your admin permissions. The scope of this setting follows whatever part of your organization you applied it to, so if you manage multiple groups, confirm you're enabling it in the right place before saving. Recordings are typically saved to Google Drive under a Meet Recordings folder associated with the meeting organizer, so make sure there's adequate storage available. Finally, consider notifying your team about your organization's recording policy and any consent requirements, so everyone knows when and why recordings are used. That's it. You've enabled recording in Google Meet through the admin console, turned on the recording permission, and saved your changes. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this guide if you need a quick refresher.